Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today we do have an OLEVS watch for you. So if you like this content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you give me the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And make sure you ring that bell for the notifications. And if you have any comments about any of the watches that I'm doing, please leave them in the comment section below and I will respond to comments. And also, if you'd like me to review a watch, let me know which watch you'd like me to review. I'm going to get into this watch review on this OLEVS watch, and I will post a link to this exact same watch in the description below so you guys can actually head on over and pick it up. So without further ado, let's get into this watch review video and see what we have in the box. Looks like we have an instruction manual, and this instruction manual comes with all the OLEVS watches. It also comes with a resizing tool, so you can resize your watch without having to bring it to a jeweler. We've got the watch itself. This watch is a little bit different for me. I normally like watches without the numbers and the Roman numerals. This watch does have the full numbers on it, so it does give it more of a classic Timex Citizens look to it. It's not a diver's watch, obviously, and it's not a sports watch, so it's a real classic dress style watch. Really nice. I've already resized it. I've already taken it out of the package and removed all the plastic and everything that it comes with. So this watch is actually ready for me to review for you guys. So it is in a day-date format. So today is Monday the 25th. It is a very simple design. Really understated, classic looking design by OLEVS. It fits very well. I've got it sized appropriately. It's got the metal band with the laser etching on the clasp. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to take off the little crown cover, which shows the laser etched emblem. Some of these are a little more difficult to take off than others, but this one seemed to come off pretty easily. So let's see here. Let's shine that up a little bit. There we go. So you can see that it actually has the logo on the winding crown itself. So this is not a winding watch. It's not an automatic. It's a regular quartz movement in there. It's not an automatic. It doesn't have the open back, but it is stainless steel back, and it is water resistant. Well, like I said before in my other videos, I don't water test these, so I can't speak to the efficacy. I just know that OLEVS produces a really nice quality watch. This one is something that I don't typically go for. Like I said, I don't typically go for the ones with the numbers on them. But I saw this one and I thought, hey, that's a really classic looking watch, an older style. So I figured, that I might as well pick this up. The price on this one is somewhere around $40 on Amazon. So if you click on that affiliate link that I'm going to post below, you can head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up. I do believe that they do have some other styles, maybe all gold, but this is the gold and silver bracelet with the silver or the gold trimmer on the silver case. It's a little bit lighter than some of their other watches, like the this Yachtmaster homage, this Rolex Yachtmaster homage. It is a lot lighter, but it's also a lot thinner, and it has a smaller face on it. So you can understand why it would be a little bit lighter there. Other than that, I mean, I can't really find a lot of bad things to say about it. It's really a nice looking watch if you like this classic style and you need a dress watch, something that'll go good with a suit. This is definitely a good pick. It's very understated, classical and elegant looking. It's a nice watch overall. I would definitely recommend picking this one up. I didn't think I was going to like it. Based on the pictures, I wanted to give it a shot. But I honestly, I was a little bit surprised when I did see it, because the face actually has a little bit more depth than I thought it did because of that bezel inside the I guess you'd call it a trim piece on the inside there that kind of sinks the face in. But looking at it online, it looked like that face was all flat and it didn't have any depth to it. So I think seeing it in person really makes a difference, and seeing it at an angle, you guys can see what I'm talking about, how it's got that deep sunken face. And I do like that. So I was a little bit surprised when I saw it, because I was kind of expecting just a regular flat face, not much depth in it. And I do think it's a really nice looking watch. So I do recommend it. I will definitely be wearing this watch. It's a nice watch. And I will do a review on it in the future and let you know how it holds up, just like I'll do reviews on all my watches. Like I said before in my other videos, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I only review budget-friendly wristwatches for the everyman, because I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to have a watch collection, and you shouldn't have to spend a lot of money to look like you do. So if you're looking for watches that don't break the bank, you're going to want to check out my channel, because I've got lots and lots of watches, and I've got more watches coming in. I've got watches coming in today. I've got watches coming in all week, as a matter of fact. So I've got more videos that are going to be posted. So if you like this content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my future videos, because I'm going to have a lot more coming your way. Dave the Watchman, I am out of here. You guys have a wonderful day.